About this item, 3 level 5000 RPM silent cooling fan system PS5 stand is featured with a button to adjust 3 level setting cooling fan, low, medium, high. Dual cooling fans with maximum 5000 RPM suck the hot air from PS5 console and spreads it around, prolonging the life of PS5 disc and digital. Fan indicators will let you know what speed the PS5 cooling fan are on. Upgraded to optional fast power supply way. PS5 cooling station includes a wall adapter and USB-C cable to provide 2 optional supply way. PlayStation 5 stand does not occupy the USB 3.0 port and use the hard disks freely when connecting to the PS5 accessories. PS5 stand vertical integrates storage of PS5 console, PS5 cooling fan, PS5 controller charger, HDD, PS5 remote control, and 14 PS5 games. All PlayStation 5 accessories neatly in one place. PS5 controller charging station with LED indicators. PS5 stand has 2 spots for charging controllers that is easy to click in and charge. PS5 controller charger can quickly charge 2 PS5 controllers at the same time, and screen on the front of PS5 charging station will show the charging status of DualSense. Orange means charging, green means standby or fully charged. Just put the PS5 controller on the PS5 charging station organizer for hard disk, media remote and PS5 games. PS5 storage is equipped with a